Hey guys, ever wondered how the winds in the ocean works together to shape our weather and climate? Today, we're diving into amazing world of atmospheric circulation and ocean currents. So let's go!
First up, let's talk about atmospheric circulation. This is just a fancy way of describing how air moves around the Earth.
How does the sun cause wind? The sun hits the earth unevenly. This causes some air to be warmer than other air. Warm air is less dense than a cold air, so it rises. This creates a low pressure area. Air from nearby high pressure area moves into the low pressure area, and this movement of air is wind. What factors affect wind speed? The greater the difference in pressure between two areas, the greater the wind speed. Wind speed is also affected by the distance between the two areas. If the pressure changes over a short distance, the wind will be stronger.
Now, let's see how this connects to the oceans. Did you know the wind helps push the water in our oceans? That's right. Winds, especially the trade winds and westerlies, move water in the same direction, creating something called ocean currents.
Ocean currents are driven by a range of sources including the wind, tides, changes in water density, the rotation of the earth, and the topography of ocean floor and the shoreline. Ocean current has two types, surface current and deep ocean current. Surface currents affect the top 10% of the ocean's water, while the deep ocean currents influence the remaining 90%. Surface currents are primarily driven by a wind and tides. Wind blowing over the ocean drags the top layers of the water, which in turn pull on the layers beneath. Surface currents form large loops called gyros which rotate clockwise in northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere due to the Coriolis effects. Deep ocean currents are driven by changes in water density. As water cools and becomes saltier, it becomes more dense and sinks, creating a vertical current called thermohaline circulation. The combination of surface currents and deep ocean currents form the global conveyor belt which transport the water and nutrients around the world.
But why are these ocean currents so important for the climate? Ocean currents are important for regulating the Earth's climate. They transport heat and moisture around the planet, which can affect the temperature and rainfall patterns of coastal regions. Warm ocean current can cause coastal region to be warmer, while cold ocean currents can cause coastal region to be cooler. Ocean current can also affect the amount of rainfall that coastal region receives.
Earth uneven heating by the sun causes the ocean and atmosphere to circulate. Ocean currents are driven by the winds and other forces, and they transport heat and nutrients. The ocean stores more heat than the atmosphere, and both move heat. Extreme temperatures variation in the ocean affect weather patterns. El Nino and La Nina are weather events caused by changes in ocean temperatures and can affect rainfall, plant growth, and storm intensity.
Why does this matter? So why should we care about atmospheric circulation and ocean currents? Well, they don't just shape our weather. They also affect the ecosystem that plants, animals, and even humans they rely on. Understanding how this system works helps us predict weather patterns, protect our environment, and even prepare for climate change.
That's a wrap for today's adventures, guys. Now you know how the wind and oceans are like martyrs in shaping our world's climate.